Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then let's scroll to find the display. Now we have to scroll down again to find the sleep option, and here you can decide which option you want to apply. At the top we've got relatively short options, and the longest is 30 minutes. So let me pick for example 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on this device will sleep after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.